name's Ashley Hutton, and I worked with making a game for the Quark website. And since a lot of you guys haven't been to it, we can go there real quick. Just sign up and out of this.
I thought it was plugged in, but maybe.
Maybe not. Well, basically, the Quark website is like an interactive online place for people to learn about particle physics. And I created this game called Hanging with Higgs, and it's about particles' relationship with the newly discovered Higgs boson. And this game has 2 levels, and basically the first level, you're focusing mostly on the interaction strengths of the different particles, because if a particle has less mass, then it's going to interact less with the Higgs. And as you can see with that model down there, that's an electron, and each of the different particles has like a unique character associated with them. And so the Higgs is like barely touching the electron because it has very, very, very little mass, so it has very little interaction with the Higgs. And for like the top and bottom quarks, the Higgs guy is like hugging them because it's showing that they have a lot of interaction. And so basically the first level, you just choose which Higgs model you think fits best with the particle. And I have the game that we can play after we go through this, so you guys can see. The second level, there's like a cannon, and then there's a particle inside, and then the cannon shoots the particle out, and then it collides with the Higgs guy. And there's a little gauge in the bottom, and your job is to select the speed that you think that the Higgs and the particle will travel after they interact. And then there's like another arrow that shows you what the correct speed is, and you get points based on how close you were. And I created this game in Adobe Flash, and I wrote an ActionScript 3, and then I used Photoshop to design the models. So basically, for those of you that aren't familiar with programming, especially game programming, there's like 2 different parts to it. There's like the actual script, which is the left one where you write about what is actually going to happen when you start the game, and then there's the part that's like visually the background and more like the stationary objects that you want to look at. So yeah. So this is basically what I was working with, and then once it's finally done, then you have the code executes, and that's what it will look like, and it has the background in it too, so they can basically combine that. And then I was given that purple guy to start with, and then I had to create all of the different Higgs models with all the different particles. And I'm not very good with Photoshop, so that's why they're really small, so you can't see like what it actually looks like. But so for example, like the up quark is the blue girl, and she's holding hands with the Higgs because she has a pretty small mass, so they don't have much of an interaction. But then like the charm quark, he's holding onto it. Oh, that's the blue triangular one, sorry. They have a little bit more interaction, so he's kind of holding her, but not exactly like a lot of interaction. So there's that. And then I had never used Adobe Flash or written an ActionScript, so basically the first like month was me trying to figure out what I was doing. And there's a lot of trial and error, and the internet was like my best friend, which was really nice. Also Photoshop, I had no idea what I was doing either, so that was good. But probably like the hardest thing was that we redesigned these levels like 5 times because it didn't really make sense, and sometimes it's kind of impossible to get the point across. But we finally got it, and it's still kind of in like a beta mode, but it's there. So I can show you. Oh, yeah. Wait, maybe not.
Not a Flash installed.
Is it not Flash on this computer? Oh, sad.
Yeah, you don't have the Flash player installed on the computer, so you can't open the SWF file.
Is your game live on the port?
Not yet. I mean, I have it on my computer if you guys want to like huddle. But I don't know. What do you want?
Or maybe you connect your computer.
Yeah, I
and
wanna see
connect
it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's an SWF file, so you can have people watch it on
I don't think I have an HDMI port on
Yeah.
this. No.
Anybody got a Mac?
All right, I'll be back in 3 minutes. It's right back.
He's waiting. Yeah. Oh. That's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean,
Oh, well. Just pretend like you don't have this.
Like, oh, thank you so much. You read and got it.
yeah, here, I don't think this is long enough.
This is the big thing. I'll try to veggie this.
Oh, Mac.
As they were saying,
Maybe these select.
it's like, yeah, it's like you won't have to, right?
Configurations.
Never leave home without one.
Yeah, that's good.
You also don't.
So, can you show us how to get the Mac to display on YouTube?
Oh, man.
This is what you get for being technically proficient in this implementation.
Yeah, right. You want to connect? Shoot. Try to German wire.
This is a matter of efficiency.
Shoot, I mean.
Yeah, like Flash.
That's just because the Mac is a little sensor to let you know when something gets put into there. It's not on the right. It's plugged into a.
Oh, there we go.
We got some.
Told you just. Plug it back in.
Wiggle it around a little bit.
Jiggle the wire.
Pray.
So if I open something, you'll see it.
You might have to slide it one side or the other, but it probably will load there.
Just try dragging it off to the screen to the right or left, or up or down.
It should be there, right?
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. So, give you guys a minute to move back or something. You guys good? So, I've played this game like 50 times, so you guys can go ahead. And I put a little handicap on there because a lot of you guys aren't really familiar with these guys, so I wrote their names or what they are. That should help. And then also, if you guys need more help, there's this little thing that tells you what to do. So, which one do you guys think?
All the way on the left.
Most more. On the left?
Yeah.
This one. Sure?
I'm just going to point out that your thesis advisor.
Okay. Wrong. All right, someone else maybe.
No, it's called trees.
Oh.
Sorry. Anyone, maybe someone up here?
Somebody's not doing PhD.
Oh, come on, just say something.
All the way to the right.
All the way on the right?
Yeah.
Here we are.
Third from the left.
This one?
Yes.
Let's give you use the microphone.
And this also,
There's 6
Ah.
I want to read that. Okay, good?
Second from the left.
This one? Yeah.
Third from the right. Yes.
Fourth from the left? So this one? Okay. Oh,
She already knows.
yeah, I know all the right answers, so you guys gotta help me out.
Fifth from the left.
Why don't you just do second from the right? Come on, guys.
Ooh.
Third from the left.
First from the middle.
Good job. Halfway there. Or over. Almost. You guys need this help screen again?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Okay. All the way to the left.
Second
No, no,
from the
sorry.
left. Second from the right.
Second.
Oh.
I feel like seeing that damn pile thing. It comes up like, you know what I'm saying?
I was right there.
I feel like this has potential for like The Price is Right.
Third from the left.
Third from the left. This one?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Fourth from the right.
No, no.
The first one. Dang it.
Metric.
Can we have the chart?
Oh, yeah.
Electrons are in advance.
Oh,
Okay.
no.
Actually, just one.
Fifth from the right.
Second.
Third from the bottom.
That kind of freaks out. I gotta fix that. But, yay! You guys ready to play level 2?
Success rate on this.
Well, I took away the names at the bottom, so good luck.
Oh, no. Does anybody have a photograph?
You guys ready?
Nicholas Tesla. Say.
So, this one works a little bit differently, so you guys gotta tell me where I should put my arrow.
Speed of light. The second one.
The second one?
Yeah, so like.
Over here? Pretty slow?
Yes, that one.
This one?
He's the.
Okay. Oh, sorry. And you don't get to retry, you just try and accumulate. So this is a different one.
Average.
Average?
Really fast.
Really fast? So should I do like in the middle? I don't have exact values yet because I'm not a particle physicist. Yay.
Kind of slow.
Kind of slow.
Kind of slow to average.
You guys restart. Okay.
Speed of light.
Oh.
It was fast.
Uh,
don't know anything about particle.
Neither do I, so. You guys want this help screen too? I have this up
The bottom.
here. You need
Pretty
it?
slow.
Okay, now it's gonna be kind, I'm gonna guess, slow and fast.
Pretty slow.
It's pretty slow.
Okay.
Yeah. Kind of slow.
Yeah, I kind of want to see it like really fast. Like I want to see what happens if it doesn't succeed. Like if you fail that one.
You just don't get any points.
Well, no. Okay. Okay. I was just
The
wondering.
thing explodes.
Yeah, I mean.
It doesn't tell me anything yet. This one's really slow, so you have to watch it so you remember that that one's slow.
That's quite point.
Yay. Okay, that's all I have. Any questions?